I spent some years managing restaurants and then got in to school and then got into this career. My experience at NADC was amazing. I learned a lot and met a lot of really cool people. I think it is a really good career choice, especially for me. I really love working with my hands. Where I think I would be if I didn't go to NADC is still probably managing restaurants, but it's not really what my passion was. My passion was always cars. I love my job right now. What I would say to a high school student looking to come to NADC, if you like working with your hands and you are a motivated person, it is a very good choice for you because you can make a lot of money working on cars. Yes. Definitely before NADC, I definitely had a passion for cars. I always worked on them with friends and everything, just never had it as a career, and now making it a career is a really cool thing.